From the effortlessly chic beach waves of California to the sleek, polished looks of European fashion capitals, Western hair trends constantly evolve, reflecting both personal style and broader societal aesthetics. These trends embrace versatility, encouraging experimentation with cuts, colors, textures, and styling techniques that suit every personality and lifestyle. Whether it's the boldness of pastel hues, the precision of a modern bob, or the timeless elegance of layered hairstyles, Western hair fashion inspires self-expression, confidence, and innovation. More than just a look, it's a statement of identity, merging contemporary fashion with artistic flair to set global trends in hairstyle. Western hair fashion carries significant social value beyond mere aesthetics. Hairstyles have long been a medium of self-expression, allowing individuals to communicate their identity, personality, and even social status. In Western culture, the way someone styles their hair can reflect creativity, confidence, and alignment with contemporary trends, which often influences how they are perceived in social and professional settings. Western hair fashion also fosters inclusivity and diversity. With an emphasis on personalization, through color, cut, texture, and styling techniques, people are encouraged to embrace their natural hair characteristics while experimenting with new looks. This promotes a culture of self-acceptance and individuality, challenging traditional beauty standards and encouraging people to celebrate uniqueness. Moreover, Western hair trends have a strong cultural and economic impact. Influencers, celebrities, and fashion icons often set trends that shape global beauty standards, creating communities that share inspiration, tutorials, and styling techniques. Moreover, Western hair trends have a strong cultural and economic impact. Influencers, celebrities, and fashion icons often set trends that shape global beauty standards, creating communities that share inspiration, tutorials, and styling techniques. This cultural exchange contributes to social cohesion, as people bond over shared interests in hairstyling while gaining confidence in expressing themselves. Finally, Western hair fashion has professional and social implications. A well-chosen hairstyle can enhance one's professional image, social confidence, and even perceived creativity, which plays a role in networking, public perception, and personal branding. In essence, Western hair fashion is more than a trend, it's a social tool that empowers individuals, encourages self-expression, and strengthens cultural connections while influencing social perception and identity. Western hair fashion represents a dynamic blend of creativity, individuality, and cultural influence, shaping the way people express themselves through hairstyles. Products descriptions given in the YouTube description box. To get more and more information about fashion, please subscribe the YouTube channel.